said, I'm looking forward to next week as another game. Like I said, we have an end goal, and every week is a contribution to that. Like I said, Bobo is a great player too. Looking forward to playing him and going out there competing.
Coach, marami ka na nasabi about Bol and TNT. Now it's just less than a week away. Ano nyo lang yung look forward yung anticipated matchup na yun?
Playing TNT and not having seen them play with Bol, I think gives them some sort of an advantage. But at the same time, because they've seen us play now. But at the same time, we also look at it as an advantage on our part for them to be playing their first game, because I'm sure there's going to be some adjustments on their part also. I'm sure Bol is going to be filling out the game and making some adjustments, so that might be an advantage for us in not being able to familiarize and acclimatize himself with the local game. So cuts both ways could be an advantage or disadvantage, but we have a few days to prepare for that.